Yeah. Oh,
Oh, my side.
what's that?
My side. There.
You put the sand there. No, you're putting sand over there.
My side. There.
More sand, yes? No, don't put the sand there. Ano, one. Ano, one. No, no, pindom. Where? No, no, no. You go here. Where? You can go inside. Where? Oh, Pinda. Big step. Big step. You go inside. You go inside. Yeah, and you can sit in the sand.
No.
Yes.
Top side. Mommy, stop. Side.
Stomp, stomp, stomp. Right, Mummy will stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Now, can you put... Oh, Mummy's got a big foot. Hon? Mummy's got a very big foot. Can you see? Big foot. Ano?
Mommy.
Little foot. Yeah, Mummy's got a big foot. And Anu's got a small foot.
My did.
Niki? Hombe? Yeah, Niki. Mama ananetsoka. Niki. Niki. Hombe. Niki. Hombe.
Mommy.
Yeah, baby.
My.
Okay, oh, baby. What are this? Can you build Mummy a castle? Well done. Can you build Mummy a castle?
My.
Stomp, 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 stomp. Mummy's going to make a small castle. A very small castle.
My. My rocket.
Oh, Mummy's not very good at making castles at all. My castle didn't come out.
My castle.
Yeah, let's see your castle. Oh, a castle! Very small, small castle, yeah!
Baby castle.
Baby castle, yes. It's a little baby castle. Okay, let's do this one. You can do the big one as well, sweetie. It's a jecha. 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 Mavu. Actually, that's a good question. What is the difference between jecha and mavu? Mummy's learning every day. Oh. Ouch, baby. Oh, yeah. No, yeah, no, mama. A very tiny castle. Mummy's not very good at making castles. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. How are you? How are you? Ah. Are you chilling? Watch castles being made. Whee! Lots and lots. Whee! Sand.
Make it
Ooh,
big.
big. That's another question. What is the name of castle in Shona? Ooh. Without washona.com for me to check, which is where I check for everything, Mummy's not able to find out. Mummy's used to checking on washona.com because it has all the answers to everything that Mummy ever needs. When it comes to Shona and all these little variations. Oh. Good castle. Baby's getting a lot of sand on her giraffe.
My hat too.
Mm-hmm.
Sand.
Sand. Wayesangwana mavu. Remember, Ano? Sand, mavu. Show mama mavu.
Monkeys.
Yay! Right, show mama mavu. Okay, not on mummy's trousers. Yucky! Mavu. Ah!
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Catch!
Yeah.
Oh! Yes, wandisa mavu mumromo mangu, mumkano wangu. Hello? Yes, baby. Are you eating the sand? Ew, yucky!
Ah.
That's not food. Wangai. 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 Hello. 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 Hello, Nana. Yes, Nana. Yes, Nana. Uh-oh. Are you eating the sand? That's not food. Ew. Today you ate half of Kirkhill Forest. This afternoon you're eating the sand. I know, baby. Mkomo kana ferra jecha. Oh. Yeah, that's for baby. Yeah, you can leave baby her toys, sweetie. Yeah, see that baby her toys. Yeah, that's baby's little sheep. Sheep, bah. Why? Bah. Oh no, not for digging. Oh goodness. Okay, Mummy will have to wash these now. Thanks. Why are we putting sand on me? No, Mummy's just dirty. Yuck, yes, Mummy was thinking the same thing actually, but now Mummy's covered. I guess it's too late. Mummy's going to finish off your castle. Hiding. Okay, here's your bucket, your spade. Mummy's not very. Okay, let's try this. Wow! Yay! Castle! Yay! Mommy made a castle! Yay! Nice castle. But Ano, you put the sand into the bucket. So you made the castle. Who lives in your castle?
That one.
Yes, that one. Who lives in your castle? Oh, okay. There's no more castle, is there really?
Oh no.
Oh no! I know. What happened to your castle? What happened to your castle?
My.
No.
Oh no. Sorry.
Ooh. Hello, baby. How's it, you, Nana? How's it, you, baby? How's it, Nana? How's it, Nana? I know. Castles are a bit boring when you're a baby. Bridge! Yay!
No, button.
Yay!
Button. Button.
Cheers, sweetie. What's wrong?
Button.
Is there a button? That's a bridge. Payambuko. What's wrong, Nana? Hiya, you bored? Okay, we have Mama Oksumuzi. Mama's coming to get you. Nggak pesa. Nice, sweetie. Isa mavu chakutun. Ano, keep mavu keep the sand in the sandpit. Ano, manangu. Yeah, please keep the sand in the sandpit. Please keep the sand in the sandpit. And you were eating it, so it can't be that yucky. Yeah, does that look... How is that yucky? Yes, you're eating it, so how is the sand yucky now? It's not food. Mkomo kanofarira kudya mavu. Quite a lot. What is it? Ungai. Ungai. Baby. One, another kudya mavu. Mavu? Oh no. Yeah. Mummy's got sand on her trousers. I wonder how. Yeah, Mummy's got sand. Who put the sand on Mummy's trousers? I was looking for your little friend. Ano? Ano? Yeah, we're getting a stick now. Ano? Mama's going to go and look for the rabbit. Yes, your rabbit. Very quickly, and I'm coming back, okay? Okay, are you digging? She's digging. Let's go look for the rabbit, and we're coming back in a minute. We're coming back, sweetie. You can come with us or you can stay. That's fine. Listen to all those birdies. Can you see them? There you go. You know that spring is here because all the little birds come back. Shiri dzese dzadzoka, dzadzoka. Shiri dzese dzo. Yes, the bunny's here. Shiri dzese dzodzoka, dzoka. Shiri dzese dzodzoka, shija uya, shija uya, shija uya. You don't know anything about seasons. It's just summer. Soon it's going to be summer, so all the little birds have come back. There it is. Oh, you might only be 6 months old, but you are getting quite chunky. Either that or mummy's very weak. Hello, bunny. Okay, baby, sorry. Cheers, sweetie. Oh, taking it off? You want to go back or go? Oh, yo. Okay, baby. And let's go back on him Komoko. Even though the little bunny looks like he was going to come out and say hello. Big stick! Oh no! Oh no! That's a big stick. I know. Hon. Sweetie, hon. Stick. Just say hello. It can hear you fine. Just say hello, little bunny. No, don't poke it with a stick, please. We have to be nice to the bunny. Yes, I know you want to reach it, but you can't reach it with your finger. It's too far. Oh, baby, you are a nice chunky one, aren't you? There, it's running away. Yes. There's the little bunny. No, you can't reach it, sweetie. It's inside the bushes. So we have to leave it there. We can just say hello to it. Say hello, little baby Tsuro. Bunny is Tsuro. Can you say Tsuro? Yes, Tsuro! Well done! Little baby Tsuro. Or mommy Tsuro. It's probably not a mummy or daddy Tsuro. It's a very little Tsuro. What's that? Okay, let's go to the sandpit. Bye-bye, Tsuro. Bye-bye, Tsuro. Yeah, but Tsuro's busy. Tsuro's playing inside the bushes. So we have to leave Tsuro alone. Oh, Tsuro na ano. Paiwepo. Zefunde. Bye-bye, Tsuro. Mana ainzi ano. Uh-oh, somebody's sleeping. Ano? Say bye-bye, because phone name I put a battery. Bye-bye. See you guys later. My phone battery is running out, I'm afraid.